I slept with my hair wet. I had every intention of blowing it out last night before I went to sleep. But I was tired. You know, I'm tired. I'm tired. And I'm feeling rough today. You know those days, you know what I'm talking about? When you just feel like, bitch, how are you gonna get yourself together today? You know? That's what this video is. Titled, bitch, how are you gonna get yourself together today? I had to hit the reset button on my hair. There's certain days where I can be like, let me tackle this. I can do it. But today was not one of those days, okay? There was some shit happening in the back. Like, I had to weigh my options. Is it easier for me to just wet it and restart, hit the reset button? Or should I sit here and fight with it? I don't want to fight today. I'm not in the mood to fight. So here I am. You know what else I do when I get out of the shower? I put lotion all over my body, especially when I want to feel really good about myself. I don't want to catch me with an ashy ankle, slipping, you know? This makes me feel good, especially this one, because I paid hella monies for it, okay? This is like the most overpriced lotion I've ever bought in my life, but I got recommended it, so I said, let me buy it. It's nice. Is it worth how much this was? I don't think so. You know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna go to Target and get this, but still I use this because I know how much money I spent on it, and so it makes me feel good. So I usually take this brush. I'm pretty sure this is a brush for men's beards or soft, but this is the only brush that like lays my hairs down. Since I have curlier hair, my hair right here will like curl. I'm like crouching because my stand isn't where I want it to be. Let me get it right first. And let me just tell you, this spot right here, this is not a bald spot, okay? Well, technically, I guess it is. I actually have a cowlick? Is it called a cowlick or a calic? Like grows this way, so I could never have a middle part, so I kind of tweezed it out, I know. Ballsy of me, I know. But honestly, I can't just let shit run my life, okay? I have to take control. If I don't lay those down, they'll start to curl. I actually already waited too long. And then I'm gonna brush my hair out because we're gonna smooth it out. I'm not gonna wear it curly today. I usually actually use the wet brush. Have you guys ever used the wet brush? It's specifically made to brush your hair when it's wet so that it doesn't damage your hair, but I'm too lazy to go get it. So now, this is the Unite 7-second leave-in conditioner. Did I spray? I don't even remember actually, but I'm just gonna give it another go. Now we start the blow dry process. Let me plug in my blow dryer, hold on. I'm gonna prop you up on a nail file and a hair tie here. I can't even see right now, I have my contacts on. I could barely see what I'm doing. But anyways, the brush that I use is just, I think this is Revlon. It's from Target, so that's what I use. I also have this little CONAIR one that I don't really use very often, but yes. So I get my round brush, Dyson. A lot of people ask if the Dyson is worth it. Personally, I think it's worth it. It's very pricey, but I think it's worth it. I feel like it's so lightweight, especially when you have a lot of hair or crazy hair. You know how the back of a blow dry usually suctions your hair in or it gets stuck? This doesn't do that. It's very tiny. You could travel to international places with it, which is nice. It's just good. Anyways, let's do this. I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry the front of my hair because this is the most tricky part to blow dry, especially if you have frizzy hair, curly hair, baby hairs in the front. I swear every time I go get my hair done, nobody knows how to blow dry my front hair. Like this whole section, I always take the blow dryer and the brush and I'm like, let me just do that, you know, because it doesn't lay right if someone else tries it. And also I have a very tricky hairline. Like I said, I have that little thing there that causes craziness. And I have to do these first because they'll get curly really fast and then I won't be able to smooth them out. So I go down. I always blow dry down. There's an eyelash flying around my vanity. Look at it, just. Anyways, this shit takes forever, okay? So I'll probably be blow drying my hair for the next, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes because I have so much extension hair. Ugh. Do I sound frustrated today? It's not like, you know, I'm just being real with you guys. It's just one of those days where you wake up and you're just like, goddamn. Like, blow drying is one thing. Smoothing is a whole nother beast. And I'm going to be smoothing it out for the next 40 minutes. I do have the keratin tip individual extensions. A lot of people ask me, does it make it harder to blow dry? Not really, because they dry a lot smoother than my hair. My hair takes a lot more smoothing than the extensions. So I feel like because every piece of my hair is like encapsulated by a strand of extension hair, it makes it look smoother, faster. Still takes me forever though. There's a lot more hair to deal with, like, so. I almost forgot to put deodorant on. Deodorant. Blow drying your hair can get a little hot. Next section. Ah! Every time I hit a new section, it's like starting all over again. You know what's funny about blow drying my hair is that when I first start blowing it out, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna do such a good blowout. And by the time I get to the top, I'm so over this and lazy that I actually spend the least amount of time on the top, which is the most important part of your hair because that's the part everybody really sees. Is anybody else like this?
I mean, that's nasty. She don't love herself.
Like, you think I would care more about the top. I'm gonna curl it after, so that'll smooth out the rest. This is where I get my arm workouts in. Now that we're all blow dried, we're back. Now that we're all blow dried, this is like a really crappy blow dry on my part. I got very lazy, but it's fine because I know I'm gonna curl it anyway. I always switch it up. I have 2 curling irons that I use. This is the more affordable one, and actually it may be, I don't know, I like this one. I get made fun of for using it. I don't know why. It's like frowned upon. It's CONAIR, I know. But CONAIR comes through, okay? This is the INFINITIPRO CONAIR. I get it at Target, and it smooths out my hair. I don't know. When I need a smoothing, this is like what I use. I go through it like really fast. When I curl my hair, it's like I keep it in for 2 seconds and then I move on. So I just go through and pick up pieces and start. I do 1 or 2 run throughs like this, and then away from my face, I just move down very fast. Cause I don't really want like a curl. I want just a smooth and like nice waves. So it needs a little WD-40, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little squeaky. It's so annoying, huh? I'm kind of used to the noise already. Front hairs, I'll go like this and then really, basically I'm just grabbing it. And I'll give it a wrap around the front too. See, look at that. Uh-oh. No! Oh my God. My expensive setup. No! It's falling.
She just appears to be just a little bit ghetto to me. A little bit ghetto, you know, a little bit hood.
This is how it's made. YouTube tutorials, how they're made. iPhone and duct tape. I'm keeping it very authentic with you guys today. I mean, look at already the difference between the two sides of my hair. Like, this is what my hair could have looked like if I just left it. But then really fast going through with this curling iron. I'm not even done yet, but you could already see how pretty it looks compared to the other side and how much less frizz there is. I just love this curling iron. No one can tell me nothing about it, okay? All right, this is it. This is the transformation. 5 years later, here we are. And now I'm feeling much, much better about myself. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little like hair tutorial, I guess it turned into. I don't know what this was, but I just wanted to be casual and show you guys, you know, how I twerk out this crazy hair. So thanks for watching. Love you, bye. Now I'm in a whole new world with you. Someone's watching the trailer to Aladdin downstairs. I could hear it. I think it's Steven. Towel's almost falling again.